Hello and welcome to TSR Digital TV. Today, as Srishti Suri, I'm here to share the facts of the decision made by Adar Poonawalla, the Chief Executive of the Serum Institute of India. He is in London and discussing manufacturing vaccines outside of India, which has led to backlash on social media. In recent months, the Chief Executive of Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer, has come under a lot of pressure as both pro-government voices and leaders of the state government, headed by opposition politicians, criticized him. He was accused for delay in supplying vaccines and was even called a profiteer for not offering COVID-19 vaccines to state government at the same cost. There were calls for his company to be nationalized. In an interview, Mr. Poonawalla justified leaving India because of menacing calls from some of the most powerful men of India, creating an environment so ugly that he anticipated being out of the country for an extended period while he made plans to start producing vaccines elsewhere. Mr. Poonawalla added, "Threats is an understatement. The level of expectation and aggression is really unprecedented." The interview reported that he had flown into London to join his wife and children hours before Britain barred travels from India on April 23. He said, "I am staying here an extended time because I don't want to go back to that situation. Everything falls on my shoulders, but I can't do it alone." The interview set off a storm on social media, with some interpreting his interest in manufacturing outside India as a threat to move his business, and others seeing him as having been driven out of the country by the viciousness of the critics. Within hours, Mr. Poonawalla wrote on Twitter that he would be returning to India in a few days. India, the world's leading producer of vaccine, is struggling to vaccinate its own citizens out of a crisis as the voracious second wave leaves a tableau of death and despair. When cases were relatively low, the country exported more than 60 million shots. On Saturday, India expanded vaccination eligibility to all people over age 18. But many states said that they would not be able to meet the demand due to shortage of doses. Less than 2% of the India's 940 million adults have been fully vaccinated, according to the data. All that has made Mr. Poonawalla, a 14-year-old billionaire, did focus for public anger. Last month, Serum Institute wrote a letter to India's Federal Home Minister asking for security, citing the threats to Mr. Poonawalla. Just a few days ago, the federal government said it had completed a threat assessment and would have police force protect him. On the same day, Mr. Poonawalla announced on Twitter that he was unilaterally lowering the cost of COVID-19 vaccines to make it more affordable for government purchase. But this action of leaving the country has sure risen many questions and doubts. We know how India has been crumbled by the devastating second wave of COVID-19. So is this a fair decision to leave your country at this time when it is going through the toughest of times and vaccination can be the only light at the end of tunnel? Another question that arises is that has our government become so out of reach and inaccessible that Mr. Poonawalla couldn't ask for their help? He had to rather leave the country? Without the head of the company, there is a good chance that the production and distribution of vaccines is going to be seriously affected or maybe even delayed. And one of the ways to control this havoc, that is with the vaccination drive, will be crashed to the ground. For more news updates, stay tuned with TSR Digital TV.
सही और सटीक खबरों के लिए यूं ही देखते रहिए TSR Digital TV.
TSR Digital TV. Opinion to impact.